going to give you nutrition advice. Just kidding! But now that I have your attention, as a certified nutrition specialist, I would like to offer you some healthy recipes that could boost your immunity. And again, I'm not talking out of my ass. All the foods you should be eating right now to boost immunity are produce, leafy greens, fruits, vegetables, things like this. So I'm going to show a very simple, easy, basic recipe. Green apples are really good to eat. Grapefruit, any citrusy fruits. Lemon, excellent source of vitamin C. It helps get rid of the toxins, nasty stuff. Making lemon water in the morning is really good for you. And then oranges. Start with some kale. Leafy greens, lots of leafy greens. It doesn't have to be kale, you can add spinach, whatever greens you like. I've chopped up some avocado. So avocado is a superfood. It's got omegas, protein, enzymes, B vitamins. If you were stranded on an island and you could only have one food, I would recommend avocados. So we're gonna add some avocados. This is yellow bell pepper. I've chopped up some beets here. Beets are really good for alkalizing your blood. Put those in there. Red onion, this has antibacterial properties and other really healthy benefits. And this is garlic that I've chopped up. So garlic is really powerful. It's got all kinds of antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal properties. So it's overall really good. So I'm just gonna add some of the chopped garlic. And then an excellent protein source, lentils. It's got some really great amino acids. So we're gonna add some lentils. Again, this is an excellent protein source as well as good. One good thing to eat right now is mushrooms, specifically shiitake mushrooms. So these are organic shiitake mushrooms, and shiitake mushrooms they have antiviral properties, and also they're a really good source of zinc. And zinc can help you fight viruses and other bad things. So we're gonna add some mushrooms. Blueberries are an amazing antioxidant. They have B vitamins, potassium, and other phytonutrients. So blueberries are another superfood. Add some blueberries. So the more colorful your plate is, the healthier it is. That's a good rule of thumb. So if you can have all the colors of the rainbow on your plate, that means you're doing something right. Just a good rule of thumb. Raspberries, another super healthy berry. It's got so many health benefits. I could list them all, but the main thing is they have really powerful antioxidants and also phytonutrients, which can really help boost immunity, vitamins, minerals, all that good stuff. Nuts for protein source. We got almonds, cashews, all kinds of nuts. I'm going to be using this dressing from Trader Joe's. So it's an almond butter turmeric salad dressing. This is one of my favorite dressings. It's cold pressed juice. So it's cold pressed lemon juice, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper. Ginger, turmeric, and black pepper have wonderful anti-inflammatory properties, and a lot of diseases, the root cause is inflammation. So it's just really good to have. So we'll sprinkle this on top. And there you have it, your super nutrient-dense, healthy meal. And if you eat this every day, your health will improve, your immunity will boost, and it's actually really delicious, really colorful, super easy. I would recommend avoiding any supplements that are not whole foods based, and even then I would exercise caution. There's a lot of conflicting information out there, but I will say, all the research I've done, my favorite supplement is this right here. This is Green Vibrance, and it's actually a powder. You can look into it, do your own research. I highly encourage you to do your own research. check the sources of your research and then check those sources. But this stuff right here, I take every day. It's got billions of probiotics, and it's good for digestion, circulation, immunity, everything. So if you put 1 scoop of this in a juice or another beverage, it's amazing. Some other healthy things you can do. I want to show you a little cocktail that I've been making for myself. So this is apple cider vinegar. If you have a little bit of this every day, apple cider vinegar has antiviral properties, antibacterial, antifungal, and it's just good for overall health. So I'm going to be adding a little of that to amla powder. So the most assimilable source of vitamin C is Indian gooseberry, otherwise known as Amla Plus, and it's got amazing tannins and antioxidants. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that. A little goes a long way, so I'm not going to add a whole lot of amla. And this is a mushroom blend. I mentioned how powerful mushrooms before. So I love Four Sigmatic. They're a great brand, and they didn't pay me to do this. I'm just offering my advice. So we're going to add a little bit of mushroom extract. We're going to add some turmeric. So as I said in the dressing, turmeric has amazing anti-inflammatory properties. If you've ever heard of golden milk, this is sort of like a variation of golden milk that I'm making. And it's important to have a little black pepper with your turmeric. The black pepper helps your cells actually absorb the turmeric, and you don't have to have much. Just a little bit will go a long way. So that's good. We're going to add a little ginger, which is great for digestion. It's also another powerful anti-inflammatory. Manuka honey. So Manuka honey has amazing bioactive ingredients. It's medicinal, it's antiviral. If you had a spoonful a day, it can be wondrous. I advise you not exposing the honey to much light. And if you put the honey in tea, make sure the tea is not really, really hot. Heating up the honey destroys the healthy properties. So make sure you don't heat the honey up. I actually already had a spoonful of this today, so I'm not going to put this in today. But you might want to add this to your concoction. It also helps sweeten it up with organic sugar. This is hemp milk. Hemp milk is a great source of omegas. So I'm just going to add my hemp milk to this. Apple cider vinegar. This is an acquired taste, but I'm not drinking it for the taste. I'm drinking it to nourish my cells, nourish my body, boost my immunity. If you can't stand the taste, add some more Manuka honey, but I actually kind of like it, so yeah. So I have some other good things in here that might interest you. Here's some healthy immune support tea with echinacea. Echinacea is a great herb for boosting immunity, and if you have any respiratory issue, eucalyptus is also another great tea. If you're into essential oil, maybe eucalyptus essential oil. And a couple other supplements I'm taking right now are colloidal silver for boosting immunity, fighting viruses, etc. Oil of oregano, olive leaf extract. So if you have any questions about any of those things, how they work, more specifics, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. If you want to argue with me, feel free to reach out. But this is just my recommendation based on my experience. And I hope this is helpful to you in some way. Stay healthy out there. Take care of yourself. Take care of your loved ones. And try to make the most of this crazy time.